Okay, today's video is about installing the version control system that we'll use in our cars. I'll install Git. Okay, we'll be using it throughout the class. Right, first go to the download page. And then download the version that suits your operating system. For me, it's Windows, and I will download this version. Alright, save it in my download folder. Alright, I already had it, but I'll save it again. Then I'll install it. Well, alright, I choose to show it on as an icon on desktop. Alright, and I choose it to integrate with my Windows Explorer, so I can open Git Bash or the Git terminal from my Windows Explorer, and then open the GUI from my Windows Explorer as well. And I also tick other choices like file support, associate.git configurations with the default text editor. I associate.sh files to be run with bash, okay, and add git bash profile and so on. Alright, these are the choices that I chose, okay. But I do not choose to check the update dailies. And I use the default editor. You can choose the editor that you like, alright, but we will not be using editor very much in this class, so any is fine. And for the name of the default branch, when you create your repository, there will be a default branch or default set state. So you actually have to name it, alright? The default name in the past was conventionally master, but it has now changed. So now the conventional default name is main. Therefore, with this choice, I will not choose the default old name, alright? I'll choose this choice so that I can put my default branch name in here, which is a convention main, alright? And then for the rest of the choice, I choose all default options. Like default, and so on. Right? Maybe I didn't close my old Git bash, so I need to do it. Okay, I think close it. Okay. So it will actually remove an old plugin if you have one. Alright, and then install this new version. Should be done pretty soon. Okay. That's almost done. That's done. Alright. And after you finish, well, here's a release note you can read later. You can actually open the terminal window that you can put git command from Git Bash on the desktop. Or if you want to use in the command line, you can just type in git command in your terminal window. Alright? You can also right click here and open terminal from within the window. Alright? Alright, and type in your command here. Alright, so that's it. With the installation, we'll look at other commands in other videos. Okay? So, bye.